Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to create a meal plan in Notion, the full 2025 guide. Let's get started. The first step is to create a new page titled Meal Plan. Notion's flexible interface allows us to create and customize pages to suit our needs. This gives us a dedicated space to plan and organize our meals. Once you've created your page, it's time to add a database. Click on the Add a Database button and select Table. This will serve as the backbone of our meal plan, where we will list all our meals and relevant details. It's important to have a table because it presents information in an organized and easy-to-read format. Now that we've done that, let's customize our table. Add columns for day, meal type, ingredients, and recipe. You can add more columns as per your need. Customizing our table helps us define what information we want to track. For example, by having a column for ingredients, we can quickly see what we need to buy for each meal. Next up, we will fill in our table with meals. Click on the plus new button within each cell to add information. The reason we do this is to give our meal plan structure and detail. It also allows us to plan ahead, making sure we have a variety of meals throughout the week. One of Notion's great features is the ability to link databases. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This feature pulls data from other pages. You can link your meals database to your shopping list database. This helps us because when we add a meal, Notion automatically updates our shopping list, saving us time and effort. Lastly, let's talk about filters and views. You can set filters to see only the meals for a specific day or week. Moreover, you can create different views, like Calendar View, to visualize your meal plan in different ways. These features enhance our meal plan's usability by making it easier to navigate and visualize. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a meal plan in Notion. With a few clicks, you've got a customized, organized system that makes meal planning a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.